Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers again. Today I am in Queens, New York City again. We're supposed to be getting our 1 to 3 inches of snow and sleet here. Well, in Queens, you're gonna get about maybe 3 to 6 actually. But in Long Island, where I'm from, we're gonna get like 1 to 3 inches of just heavy rain and sleet, which is very disappointing because I was looking forward to trying out some of my snow blowers. Anyhow, so I'm over here to see my mom. And by the way, these are what houses in Queens look like. Actually, they're pretty big, you know what I'm saying? And land in New York City is expensive, you know? But anyway, so she said that this last storm, which was in October, one of our old tree branches in our backyard fell down, and I'll show you what that looks like. So here's the backyard. I've done a couple of videos back here with my Craftsman. It's got a decent sized backyard for Queens, New York City, you know. Anyway, so we have huge trees in the backyard. Huge. Very tall. See what I mean? Anyway, over time, big branches come down, and this one came down and got caught up in there. This was wood that I cut down a few trees when she needed it. I have firewood enough for 10 years here. Anyway, so I need to get rid of this. It actually came down on an old Time Warner cable line. We don't have Time Warner anymore. We have Verizon. So that line is useless anyway, so it didn't hurt anything. But yeah, so I'm just came over to see her for the weekend, and I got my kids and my dog with me, and I brought my chainsaw, and I'm gonna cut this into some pieces here. This is the Remington 20-inch chainsaw that I got through the recall. I've used it a bunch of times. I had to do a carb clean on it once because I cut those things and there was sawdust everywhere for like an hour, so I had to clean out the mesh air filter. Didn't really need a carb clean, just needed the filter to be cleaned out. Now it starts up well and works pretty well, and I'm gonna try to set something up so you can watch me cut this into pieces. Always starts up. Good chainsaw. I'm going to try to set you up on a time lapse here. That was easy. 5 minutes. Gotta have a chainsaw if you've got stuff like that stuff to take care of, you know. ProPartsDirect.net. See you guys later. Thanks for watching, everybody. Follow me on Instagram at Mowers Blowers. See you guys next time.